Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to assemble your Acrylic Lucite Projection Hook, step by step. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts from your kit. Your kit includes the flush end cap, wall flange, Allen key, grub screws, set screws, and the acrylic tubes. Start by attaching the flush end cap and the flange to each end of the acrylic tube. Once they're in place, tighten the grub screw to secure the flange and flush end cap connection. Decide where you want to mount the projection hook and take your measurements. Hold the hook against the wall and mark the screw hole positions with a pencil. Drill the holes where you made the marks. Place the hook back in position and insert one screw to hold it in place. Use a level to check that everything is straight and make any adjustments needed. When you're satisfied with the alignment, tighten the remaining screws to fully secure the hook. And that's it. Your Acrylic Lucite Projection Hook is now assembled and ready to use. A few simple steps, and you're all set.